Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome in, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sweet Bobby, your lovable host. And to the mailbox, to the mail, to the mail. When we get hate mail, we go right to it. So on my video yesterday about learn to place a ratio spread trade with a 99.5% probability of profit, we have this old goober by the name of Lagad Lagada LLC, that says you, Tony, and Tom King keep reusing each other's trades. What do you say here? Oh, heck, where'd it go? Hold on. Keep using each other's trades and charging people. Here's what he says. Let's see. Let's make sure we get it here. Keep reusing each other's trades and charging people for it. These trades are not new. Stop acting like they are. Well, let me tell you something, Legata LLC. Blow it out your backside, you idiot. How about this? I told him, thanks for watching. New to you, right? He goes, you're right. Not new to me, but all of you quote unquote traders are scamming people that it is new to into thinking they need to pay you to learn how to trade it. If you charge for info that is free, you are doing a disservice to novices. You are the one giving this business a bad name. Okay, how about this? How about the water companies, you freaking idiot, that charge for bottled water? Hell, you can get water for free. Go down to the stream or the creek or go to your gym and use a water fountain. But hey, they're charging people for it. Are they scamming people too? Unbelievable. This is capitalism, baby. Capitalism. That's what we do. I'm not saying that. And look, all the content that I put on YouTube, did it charge you anything, Latiga LLC, to watch this video? No, you moron. All you had to do was come watch it. Now, might there be an ad in there? Yeah, there's a little ad in there that you got to watch, but I'm not charging anything. Someone said then, does it cost money to watch on YouTube? Just enjoy the content. And I said, not at all. The content, I should have it in there, is free. They do play ads from time to time that help support my channel. And I told him, I said, look, dude, I disagree. Ask anyone who I have personally mentored if they want their money back. Ask them. Ask anybody if they want their money back. They don't want their money back. You know why? Because they got a great training. They got great training. So do I charge for training? Well, of course I do. I'm very busy, y'all. Yeah, it's a good thing no one can patent a trade, Dr. Z. Exactly. Or, Ron Bertino would have me run off the channel. Remember, he tried to get me taken off the channel. So how about this, pal? Mind your own business and don't watch my videos. But you know what? I got a feeling that old Lagada LLC 7003 is going to watch today's video. And I hope he understands that, hey, yeah, sure, you'll blow it out your backside. Matter of fact, y'all know how I show my net lick on everything. I don't mind telling you what I make off of Trader Nerds. Y'all ready for this? 2023, the gross revenue for Trader Nerds, including YouTube, including coaching sessions, also including book sales of my little Blossom Possum Learns to Sell, the total from all of that was $55,000. Okay, so you're sitting there going, $55,000. Wow, that's a lot of money. Okay, take out of that, I had to pay $10,000 to have my book printed. That came out of there. I had to have $5,000 to pay my illustrator. That's $15,000. That's down to $40,000 right there. I have to pay. What else do I have to pay? I have to pay, well, all kinds of stuff that I have to pay. All kinds of expenses. That brings it down to $40,000. And then, just the time and expense to do everything. I mean, I enjoy this and I enjoy doing it. But if it makes me a dime or two so that I can support my 5 children, all of whom were adopted, is that a problem with you, Latiga LLC? How about this, pal? How do you support your kids? Do you got an LLC? Yeah. Do I have an LLC? Yeah. Do I have a Delaware corporation? Yeah. Do I got all of that? Yeah. I got all that, pal. So how about this? Don't call me a scamster for charging people for content. And just about every video I do is out there for free. I post my college lectures. I post all this stuff. It's free. You don't have to pay for anything. If you want a community to be behind you, you can come on into Discord. You don't have to stay there. You don't have to do Muscadine Mafia. You don't have to do all that stuff. So anyway, just chill out and don't call me a scammer. I mean, I think if anyone is upfront about everything, it's me. We were up 20% last year. The year before, we lost money on the overall count because we were doing hedge fund excellent adventure. But the LLC or the LLC, the 112 trades were up 24% on the year. So those trades alone were up 24% last year or year before last and 20% this last year. And you saw every trade that I did. I'm not hiding anything. Am I the best trader in the world? Oh, heck no. No. Never claimed to be. I'm a lot better than I used to be. And I help people become better traders. So, just toss it, dude. Just toss it. All right. Any questions about that? So let's see. Bobby, he is stupid and his coming on your channel demonstrates his lack of understanding of the markets and strategies. The small stuff can make or break your bank. Your content is original and amazing. I learned a lot. He should actually get some private lessons from you. Absolutely. Sign up. Now we'll do a 7-week thing for, $400 or so, and you'll be well on your way. Unbelievable, this guy. Jeez Louise. All right, so let's look at the Tasty account today. That's at 42,901. 42,901. So let's put that in our pipe and smoke it, and let's see how much money we lost there, dude. 42,901. So we are up 42,901. Wait a minute. How do we make money? We're scammers. And admittedly, we're up 2% on the year, but we are underperforming the market. But remember, our strategy is designed to make 20% a year. We don't care what the market's doing. Well, thank you, Abdul Man. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. So you kind of where it is. But I love when people disagree with me. I want to call them out too. You want to call me out in front of all my buddies and friends? I'll call you out too, Jack. I don't think I'm a scammer. I mean, you're going to tell my 5 kids that I'm a scanner? Daddy made $55,000 from Trader Nerds last year. Unbelievable. Okay. Did I buy some groceries with that? I'm sure I did. Did we go on a cruise? Maybe we did. Was it from all that money? But that's not where the bulk of my money coming from. Did you make more from that than you did trading? That's a good question. Maybe I did. I'd have to think about that. Maybe I did make more from that. I'm probably not after expenses though. So anyway, I try to be open about everything. I'm an open book, y'all. Y'all know everything about me. Unbelievable. So look at this. We're up 2% on the year. Now the market may be closer to up to 4%, but we're doing really, really good. Let me stop the video with Coco Bean, the Wonder Trading Dog here, so y'all can see all the stuff on the screen. All right, so let's see what our Greeks and ratios are like in this account. So let's see which one this is. Got all kinds of accounts here. We got this one is the one we're doing, and we want to trade this one. So we are at 36.44. 36.44. Oh, I'm excited about the new spreadsheet. Oh, Friday's Muscadine Mafia. We're going to really dissect the Sweet Bobby slide. There's some really good content in our Discord channel that Latiga 703 never be in there because, oh, baby, well, fine, dude, stay at home. But there's some good content. People saying, I don't understand this. It's putting on more risk and blah, 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 blah. So we'll look at it. We'll dissect it on Friday, then our Muscadine Mafia session. All right. But look, the new spreadsheet will actually tell you, hey, if you want to slide, and it doesn't mean that you got to slide, but isn't that cool that, after you've been in the trade for 60 days or so, it'll come up and say, slide, baby, if you want to slide. You don't have to slide to reduce your notional exposure. So we'll see if it's a good thing or a bad thing. It may change my mind based on what y'all been talking about. So we will analyze that on Friday. All right. So let's see what was our Greeks and ratios again? Our delta was 36.44. 36.44. So here we go. 36.44. Good. This looks nice, y'all. Look at this. 36 and 44. And VIX is at probably 13 or so. I need to look at the VIX today. Let's see. VIX is at 13. Oh, wow. We're almost in the 12 handle again. Wow. And the market's up 0.70%. Y'all, that's the first time I've looked all day. Isn't it great that we have a strategy that you don't even have to watch the market? You don't even have to look at it. It's just kind of, if it's up, it's fine. If it's down, it's fine. It doesn't really matter. So we've got light volume today, 3,600 contracts. AD is at 124. It's kind of hanging out. And the overnight high was here at the same thing as the cash open. So we went up from that. Let's look at the big green monster. Let's see the big green monster. Remember, we're going to 5,000, aren't we? It's just a matter of time. Look at there. We've hit it. Look at that. Now, I will say this, y'all. A lot of times when you hit the first time that it hits the 5,000, it doesn't stay above it. It'll be interesting to see if we come down below it today. It wouldn't surprise me at all to see us come down below the 5,000 and then probably bump it up tomorrow. So it's going to take a time or two. I don't know. We may hold it, though. We may actually hold it. So the market's up. It's overbought. Now you can actually say, ladies and gentlemen, the market is overbought and should come back down into this area at some point. So we'll see if that happens today, tomorrow, or within the next 10 days. All right. So with that, let's see. Now our buying power requirement for that account is, look at it, we're using 92%. So 39,458. But remember, a lot of that is in bill, right? So we have to go down here and see how much bill. Oh, let's see. Don't take this one off. Let's take, that should be the only thing we held. There we go. Just that one account. There we go. So we've got, let's see. Bill is taking up 30,000, 31,000. So our ES trades and MES trades are taking up $9,500 in buying power. Okay. So we are really needing additional trades on. Now, this is a $42,000 account. So we're probably, I don't have the sizing calculator on here, but we probably should be doing 2 contracts a week. So let's do 2 contracts a week. And first of all, we don't actually keep up with our trades on this spreadsheet, right? This is what we call the freehand account. So I don't actually record trades because I know some of y'all don't like recording trades. So let's just go ahead and let's trade and do our new little trade. And so let's go MES. And I'm assuming that we're going to do, here we go. So let's go out to 120 days. So 134 would be our first position there. And we're going to do 2 tranches. So we go down to the 5% probability being in the money, which is this little baby right here. See that? 5% probability being in the money. So we're going to sell 4 of those. Now it's a 1-1-2, so we're doing 2 tranches. So we got to do 4 of those. And we're going to try to get $16 and swing better. Nothing. Let's go back and get it. Let's go to the working orders. Sometimes you got to let this thing, kind of update here. Here we go. 1575 is working. So let's replace that and we'll go down to 1575, see if we can get a fill. And bingo, baby, we are in. Now we'll go back out to that 134 days and we'll put debit spread on. So about a 25 delta. So we could do the 4,800. 4750, 50 points wide for 835. But remember, we're doing a 2 trancher, so we have to do 2 of those and bump that up to 840 and see if we are in. Yes, we are. So we're using 97% of our account. We've got about $4,000 left or $2,000 left of this. So we could probably buy 10 shares of Bill if we wanted to. Let's see, 10 shares would be, no, I don't think I can buy 10 shares, can I? That would be, that's $900. I could probably buy 20 shares of BIL. Let's see if we can do that just to fill our account up a little bit. So let's go trade. Let's go Bill. Yeah. And see if we can do a little bit of Bill. So trade. Here we go. Bid and the ask. So let's see if we can do 20 shares. See if that'll do it. See if we got enough to do 20 shares. 20 shares, 91.48, just to fill that up a little bit. Yep, looks like we got enough there. It's going to say, so that was going to leave us with $1,900 of buying power. So, you could buy a little more, but, I don't think I have to. We're using 98% there. I think we're good there. We're really, really good. Okay. Questions on that at all? Questions? All right, y'all have a good day. I will see y'all tomorrow.